has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Hill County in Central Texas, Ellis County in North Central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar Hill to 10 miles northeast of Meridian, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hillsboro, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Italy, Itasca, Oakleaf, Maypeel, Bardwell and Bloom. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 365 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 266. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Central and North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.